Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. This is another update. Going to walk you through some of the final stuff I've been trying to get completed here. As you can see, I've got the holes drilled for the antennas. I've got some of the other pieces going in. I finally got my wiring put in place, created a new connector, and then I've got the grommets in place for all of the wiring I'm going to do. And you can see it on both sides here. The other part is, if you come over and we look down this side, you'll actually see down here I've also got the holes drilled. So this is the antenna, so both of my antennas are going to be on the bottom, but they should work out fairly well. And you can see here the grommets as well. So overall, made some great progress on that as I've been trying to build this out. One of the big things I've finished as well is getting these steps attached. This wasn't that difficult. It was already prepped for me. One of the biggest differences is I got an insert that I put inside the step tube to prevent it from being crushed.
Okay, after waiting to get the correct drill bits, I finally have the floors vacuumed. I have the insulation down. I was able to drill those holes. I've got a little hole there. You can see kind of how the housing is going to run. It'll come out through here, in through there, and out through that hole right there. And then out here, I'm going to route them right out through the back. Both sides are done. And now I'm going to start covering it up. I got the floor pans cleaned out for all of this, so we should be good to go. Enjoy. I have finally got them clecoed back down in the front passenger pans. That was pretty difficult. I don't know if it's been twisting or what, but over here you can see there's how it's going to run out through the back. There's the lines, and away we go. So I'm just getting ready to close it up. I'm going to cable tie those conduits in place so they don't move around. But you can see here on the grommets, but underneath I'll just take cable tie them, they should be fine. And then the only thing left to do is I'm going to put a dado clamp here to hold that in place so that doesn't move around, given it's going to be my main power line going in. And also I want to make sure that this is not touching here off the bolt and causing some kind of friction. So maybe I'll look at moving it, putting it in here or something so that it won't do that. That'll stop it from rubbing and kill two birds with one stone. Anyway, there it is. A little late with the updates, but that's because I've been waiting on the bits to be able to cut those holes on an angle, and that was a little harder than I thought. Not a lot of space in there. My angle drill would not fit in there with the bit to enlarge it, the unibit. But I was able to get the right bits and the right extension, and I ended up going with a DeWalt extension that basically looks like this over here. It actually works out pretty good, especially if you put the handle on it. But you'll notice here it doesn't take up a lot of space, whereas this piece, this is my pneumatic one, and you can see that it takes up a lot more space, and that was one of the issues I had. So what I did is use this guy to drill the initial hole, used him to get it up to one size, and then I used this bit with the 1/4-inch shaft on it and this guy to drill the final hole. So it worked out okay, and then I just deburred it.
Remember, if you liked the video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks and have a great day. Bye everybody.